Industrial Metal Enterprises, or IME, is located in Blackfoot, Idaho, next to the Snake River. East Idaho is a great place to live, work, and play. There are plenty of outdoor activities such as hunting, fishing, boating, and hiking.
East Idaho is where I was born. I have traveled a little bit out of this area for work, but we love Southeast Idaho. The recreation here is amazing. The people here are good, and I think we've got all the resources we need to be able to do the job that we do here.
Living in the shadow of the Grand Teton, Yellowstone National Park, and the Teton National Forest makes East Idaho a great place to raise a family.
I have 4 kids. I got 2 boys, 2 girls, and they're very lucky kids. They don't know it, but you know, we love spending time. We love going fishing, camping, hunting. We're getting ready for archery hunting, and that's a good motivator to go to work, provide for them and their needs. I also wanting them to experience and learn how to work too.
The culture of working with your hands and working in the fields cultivates strong ethics like responsibility, accountability, and trust. We live by say what you do and do what you say. This mentality lives within the people of East Idaho. It's a place where a handshake has meaning. Your word is your bond. You can count on me. These are some of the principles that make up the people who live, work, and play right here in Blackfoot.
My name is Danny Moraz, and I'm the shop foreman at Industrial Metal Enterprises. Went into Idaho State University welding program and worked here while going to college and continue working here ever since. The design team has made it really easy for us to build the equipment to the point to where they give us a drawing with the view of the piece or the conveyor, the auger on a 3D model. The first thing that I tell my customers when they walk in the door is that I'm gonna do the best that I can to get the project done on time at the best cost, and hardly ever I decline a project.
We're proud of our community. We support our community and will continue to be a strong presence in our schools and culture. IME was established over 25 years ago to support the agriculture industry with the idea we fix it, replace it, or build it.
IME is a custom metal fabrication shop. If it's made of metal, we can build it.
Our focus remains unchanged. We fix it, replace it, or build it.
So a lot of times, whether it's our big customers or whether it's walk-in customers, what they need is something that's damaged or broken and they need a repair job done on that. We've got a great crew of men that are very experienced in the field.
Over 25 years, we have expanded our operation from 1 employee to over 50 employees, and we are continuing to grow.
Working here since I was 13. My dad started the company when I was 13, and I was the first welder's helper, and I've been working here ever since.
We service industries that utilize food processing equipment with sanitary design, augers and flights, custom parts and repairs, specialized design, metal fabrication, and installation. IME stands out in the industry because we know it's not what we do, but who we are that makes a difference. Our guarantee is your need is our priority.